Hi everyone, I'm Mallory, your friendly neighborhood car reviewer, and I'm here to show you a 2019 Toyota CHR located at Thousand Islands Toyota at 555 Stewart Boulevard in Brockville, Ontario. As you can see, the exterior color of the CHR is called Ruby Flare Pearl and has 83,929 kilometers on it. This vehicle also has a 2-liter 4-cylinder gas engine that puts out 144 horsepower and a torque of 139 pounds per foot. This CHR uses 8.7 liters per 100 kilometers in the city and 7.5 liters per 100 kilometers on the highway for fuel economy. By the way, if you like these videos and want to see more, please like and subscribe to our page so we can keep them coming. Now let's hop in and take a look at some of our interior features. So just like we always do, we're going to take a look at the driver's side interior door panel. So as you can see here, you have your handle, power windows, power locks, child safety locks, power adjusting mirrors, and power folding mirrors. You also at the bottom have a nice little compartment with a cup holder in it. Quick look at the front interior here. As you can see, the upholstery is cloth, but you do have a nice leather steering wheel. Just taking a look at the steering wheel audio controls. So here you can control the volume up or down, the radio station, making a phone call, hanging up from a phone call, and voice recognition. And then on this side, you can control the digital screen that you will see on the odometer in a minute. You also have lane departure alert, and you also have rear cross traffic alert as well. So here's a nice look at the odometer. If you look over to the left, you'll see at the top is the RPM and at the bottom is the temperature gauge for the coolant. In the middle, you'll have the digital screen, which you can see your liters per 100 kilometers, which gear you're in, and how many kilometers are on the vehicle, as well as the weather that's at the very top. Over to the left-hand side, you can see at the top you have your speedometer, and at the bottom you have your fuel gauge. Quick look over here at the radio. So here, if you just click onto source, you can also see that this radio has satellite radio, and it also has a Bluetooth connection as well. Looking at some of the features here on the center console, so you do have your heated seats, both driver and passenger heated seats. You do have your rear window defrost, which is also heated mirrors as well. And you can also adjust the temperature not only on the driver's side, but also on the passenger side. So if you like it at 2 different temperatures, you can adjust it to whichever way you like. You have a nice little compartment down here. You also have right here USB input and auxiliary input. You also have a nice cup holder here with the gear shift, and then another cup holder at the back here. We're just going to lift this up. You can take a look in here at the console, and you do have a 12-volt outlet as well. Quick look over on the passenger side. As you can see, the passenger side door, you also have your power windows and your power locks as well. And down here, you also have a nice glove compartment, great for storing any bills that you've done for maintenance on your vehicle, so you can keep up to date with the vehicle. Now let's hop out and take a look at some of the exterior features. So now we're going to take a look at some of the exterior features. We're going to go down the driver's side. So first thing at the front here, as you can see, these are LED headlights. Just taking a quick look at the wheels, these are 18-inch alloy wheels as well. All 4 tires are the same. They're all 225s, 50s, R18s. You also have your integrated turn signal mirrors as well. Now we're going to come down to the back. I want to point this out first before we hop into the back seat. The door handle is a little different. Normally you would have it down here, but for the CHR you have it up here. So you would just pull this back and the door opens just like that. Now we're going to come around back and take a look at the trunk. You do have a backup camera as well, as you can see it right there. So now we're just going to flip this up. And now you can see the trunk. As you can see, you do have some room back here. You can fit a hockey bag or 2. You got room for groceries. You also have not 1, but 3 spots to hook up a car seat as well. You can also, if you need to, tie some stuff down. You have one on the driver's side, or passenger side, sorry, and the driver's side here. You have a nice little cubby right down in here. You also have one over on the passenger side here as well. One thing I do really love that the CHR has is when you lift up the trunk, you also get this as well. So if you have any groceries or anything in the trunk that you think might come flying up to the front, if you hit the brakes immediately, it'll hit this and then it'll stop and you'll be good to go. Now let's hop in and take a look at some of the interior rear features. So just like we did in the front, we're also gonna do in the rear, we're gonna take a look at the driver's side rear interior door panel. So as you see here, you do have a nice little handle, you have power windows, and a cup holder in the side door as well. Quick look back here at the rear interior. As you can see, the upholstery is cloth. Now, these seats do fold down. If you're looking to fold them down, you just see this button here. You're gonna push this back, and the seats will fold down just like that. The front seat, unfortunately, is back too far, so it won't go all the way down. But then look at all the extra room that you'll have for your trunk, and then you can easily just push it back up. Quick look over here on the passenger side. As you can see, the passenger side door, you also have power windows as well. All right, folks, that was a look at our 2019 Toyota CHR in a Ruby Flare Pearl. If this is the type of vehicle you're looking for, please give us a call at 613-342-9111, and one of our product advisors would be happy to assist you with a test drive. For more information on this vehicle, you can visit us at thousandislandstoyota.com or email sales@thousandislandstoyota.com. If there's anything you're interested in, please let us know in the comment section, and I'll make sure to address it in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our page. Until then, take care, and I'll see you next time.